Hi, good day. I'm going to show you how to create a web server from your home PC to host web pages. First, you need to create an account from DYN DNS. So, DYN DNS, enter. My account, create a new account. Username, password, password, email address. You type your email address. Enter. Then verifying numbers. 4127. Alright. Accept. Create. Right. Now I have to go and verify. Hotmail.com. Confirm account. Okay. My account. We are now going to my host, add host services. New host name. Client server. And we can choose free. DYN DNS-free.com. You could choose anyone, doesn't matter. And then your public IP address, or you can go to ipchicken.com and get your public IP address. This will get it for you automatically. Add to cart. Client server.dyn DNS-free.com. Now proceeding to checkout. Okay, activate service. Alright, look it right here with the IP address. Then we are going to have to download our Apache server. So look up on Google. Google is a nice search engine, and download Apache, APACHE. Enter. Welcome to Apache. And we're looking for the HTTP server. Just scroll down. Alright, HTTP server. And we'll download from a mirror. And then you pick the Win32 binary, including OpenSSL. You download this one. By that downloaded, we can go back to Google and start to download our DYN DNS updater. Right, so download updater. I'm going to run the DYN DNS updater now. Run it first. Next, agree, next. the details just to see what files are being created. Finish. And just the username and password that you created before, and just signing in here. Alright, team client server. Apply. Okay. That's activated. It's good. And then we are going to run our Apache server. Next. Okay. Okay. The same. Just copy this. Our server network domain will be the same as our DNS, the host name, and just put email address. All users on port 80 as service recommended. Leave it as that. Typical. Next, and install. Finish. This might give us a problem, but we have an easy solution for that. Okay, the request operation has failed. Okay, we can try control panel, system and security, administrative tools, and this internet information services. We will click on this and stop in the service. Just stop the service. I don't know why, but this will give it some problems. You can always put it back on. Apache start. Running all Apache services. It's running. So now all we need to do is enter opening tab. Okay, module. I'll copy the host name and paste it there. Enter. It works. It works. It works. It works. If it doesn't work, you might need to do some port forwarding if you have a router. And all that is go to command prompt or CMD, enter, and get your IP config, enter, and get your default gateway and IP address. right? Enter the default gateway into the browser. Default gateway will be 192.168.1.1. Enter. My router has a password on it, and your router may look different when you configure it, but application and gaming, you have to search around, switch back to port forward. I named it port, my single port forwarding, and mine's web. You don't want to put a name. External port 80, internal port 80, both the TCP and UDP, and my current IP address for my personal PC. I just entered it here. This is it. It'll just start shortly. And just try back your host name, using client server web and name. Enter. It works. And to test it as well, to change where you are, what web page or web pages you want to put up on your site. You can go to your C drive, program files, Apache. In your HT document index file is what you'll be changing. So you don't ever delete your index files.